Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Shaniqua Vereen. This week, we take a look at a successful launch of the Axiom 3 mission to the International Space Station. Also, the latest plant investigation is underway. This time, we learned how plants defend themselves in space. On Thursday, January 18th, the Axiom 3 crew launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The four-person crew will join the Expedition 70 crew for a roughly 2-week mission to conduct research aboard the International Space Station. The quartet includes Axiom 3 mission commander and former NASA astronaut Michael Lopez Alegria, mission specialist Walter Villadé, who also flew aboard Virgin Galactic's Galactic 01 suborbital spaceflight as Virtute 1 mission commander last summer, Turkey's first astronaut Alper Cesaragi, and European Space Agency astronaut reserve member Marcus Want. Plants defending themselves? Is it Attack of the Killer Plants? Let's take a look aboard the station at the science that continues to push boundaries. Plants on Earth and in space must defend themselves from diseases. Plant Habitat 06 investigates the physiological and genetic responses to defense activation and immune system function in tomatoes during spaceflight. Genetic sequencing and analysis indicate the adaptive response of plants rather than the initial defensive response. A better understanding of how microgravity affects plant immune function is needed to support plant growth and food production on future space missions. To learn more about the research and more, head over to ISS_research. On Thursday, January 25th, NASA, SpaceX, and Roscosmos leadership will discuss the upcoming flights of Crew 8 and NASA astronaut Tracy Dyson at 1 p.m. Eastern. Afterward, the crew members themselves will discuss their upcoming missions, science objectives, and plans while aboard the International Space Station at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. Check out nasa.gov/live or NASA Plus for ways to watch. And that's Space to Ground for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.